Hey, hey, hey. It's time for an update. Out here at the big square bale garden. See what we've got here. Checking around out here. Nothing there. Nothing there. I don't see anything there. I don't see anything there yet. Yeah. Oh, would you look at that? Just look at it. Butternut squash coming up. What else do we have out here? Yeah. Nothing on this bale. Nothing coming up yet. It's probably coming along soon. Let's see. Didn't plant that one. Oh, what do we got there? Oh. Yep. Cucumbers coming up. Yep. More cucumbers. I see more cucumbers coming up. I don't see anything there yet. I'm sure they'll be along shortly. What we got? Anything over here? No. Nope. Nope. Yeah. Blue Hubbards are taking their sweet time. Well, anyway. Good news. At least we've got a little bit of emergence. Oh yeah. Yeah. Forgot to show you. I mentioned, or I think I mentioned, the deer had helped themselves or trampled my horseradish plants I planted. And yet, they persist. Horseradish. 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 Love it. Yeah. Let's see what we got here. I'm not sure this horseradish is going to make anything. They trampled it pretty good. Put a good heavy straw mulch on it. Just trying to keep it moist, keep the conditions optimal for if it's going to grow, you know, just leave it be to do what it can. But yeah, hopefully a couple of them survived. Good deal. Ought to be some horseradish to dig next year. Sweet. Oh yeah. It doesn't look like the deer have been out here totally decimating my little fruit trees. What do we got here? Bartlett pear, standard supreme. If they'll leave that baby alone long enough, I'm probably going to have to prune the heck out of it to keep it from growing up into the irrigator. You've got 20 feet maximum, buddy. 20 feet. The Moonglow pear, doing pretty good. Doesn't appear that the deer have been shredding it. Looks fairly decent. Yep, fruit trees look like they're doing pretty good. Pretty nice evening out here. Climb up on a bale. Can you beat that? Just a gorgeous, gorgeous Indiana farmland sunset. I love it. Heaven on earth. Okay, I'm out.